Hey there, it's day 2 of the challenge and we are going to create this effect in Figma. First, take a mobile frame. We are going to use this gradient blob and logo from the day 1 challenge. Now, copy the blob and change gradient alignment. Do this for at least 4 times. Select all 4 and make a component set. Then, connect each other with delay of 1 millisecond. And don't forget to connect the last one with the first one. Now, copy the first component and add it to the mobile screen. Bring logo to the top and you are done. I hope you like it.